Are you looking to make easy money online just by installing apps? Imagine earning $30 per app you install and effortlessly racking up $400 in your account. In this video, I'm going to show you a legit platform where you can do just that. Stay tuned to see my live withdrawal proof and learn how you can start making money today. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visit Earnut.com first. Head over to this brand new website where you can discover various play-to-earn games and apps that pay you for installing them. Typically, you can earn $30 per app you install, making it one of the simplest ways to make money online. I'll reveal the name of this website shortly, but as you can see, you can withdraw your earnings directly to your PayPal account or to your bank account via Visa and MasterCard. Additionally, you can withdraw your earnings in the form of gift cards such as Google Play, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, and more. If you're into cryptocurrencies, you can also withdraw in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other available currencies. No matter which country you are from, you can make money on this website and easily withdraw your earnings. The site boasts over 4.4-star ratings on Trustpilot and offers 24/7 chat support for its users, ensuring any issues can be quickly resolved. All of this demonstrates that Earnut is a legitimate platform for making money online. Step 2. Register on Earnut.com. The first step is to click on the Sign Up button and register. The registration process is straightforward and easy to complete on your own. Step 3. Access the dashboard. Once you log into your Earnut.com account, this is how your dashboard will look. As you can see, I've already earned over $400 by installing apps and games. On Earnut.com, you can make money in 3 ways: completing surveys, watching videos, and installing games and apps. I will show you all 3 methods. Step 4. Finding and installing apps. For today, we will focus on earning money by installing apps and games. To start, hover your mouse over the Offers tab and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can find various play-to-earn games and apps to install for money. On average, you can earn $30 per app you install from Earnut.com. Sometimes you might even find popular apps like PayPal, Cash App, TikTok, and Instagram, which you can install and earn money from. For example, you can install the IQ Option app on any of your devices, be it an iOS device, Android device, or your computer, and get paid $7. You can also install the Binance app, a well-known crypto app, and earn over $147. Similarly, you can install Cash Karma and get paid over $1. There are numerous such apps on Earnut.com that you can install and get paid for. Step 5. High-paying apps and games. To maximize your earnings on Earnut.com, focus on gaming apps. These tend to be the highest paying. For example, installing and playing the Chaos Cruiser game can earn you over $13. While this game is available for Android users, there are many games for iOS and other devices as well. To play and earn money, open the game offer to see the details. For Chaos Cruiser, you earn points based on distance. 100 milliliters, 7 points. 200 milliliters, 35 points. 400 milliliters, 154 points. 700 milliliters, 800 plus points. 1000 milliliters, 3,800 plus points. 2,000 milliliters, 8,400 points. Every 1,000 points equals $1, so you can earn over $13 by playing. Payments are confirmed within 15 days, 6 hours, and 40 minutes. Your progress will be added to your Earnut account. To install, click Tracking Task, scan the QR code with your Android device, or log into your Earnut account and click Go to Offer Site to download the game from Google Play Store. You'll find various other games, mining, pirate, fishing, puzzle, and more, that pay well. Earnings per app vary by country, but even users from Tier 3 countries can earn $5 to $100 per day. Step 6. Look for offer types. To earn 10 times more money than others, go to the top of the page, click on the Sort by Filter, and select the highest reward option. This will show you the highest paying apps and games available on Earnut.com. For example, I have found apps and games that pay between $15 to $43 each. Installing and playing a game on my Android device can earn me over $43, while installing an app on my iOS device can earn me over $15. Next, use the platform's filter to select your specific device, such as iOS, to see only the offers available for that device. You can also hover over the offer type filter to select the types of offers you want to complete, such as play-to-earn games, apps, survey apps, or apps that pay you to register. Another way to multiply your earnings by 10 is to navigate to the Earn section at the top and scroll down to find the offer providers. These providers offer additional opportunities to earn money by installing apps, playing games, and watching videos. For instance, selecting an offer provider will direct you to a page with more apps and games to install. Installing a particular game can earn you over 63,000 points, equivalent to $63. Similarly, other play-to-earn games can pay you over 54,000 points, or $54. Additionally, if you choose the AdSense Media Offer provider, you can make money by watching videos. Another exciting way to boost your earnings is by visiting the rewards section. Here, you can earn up to $250 by spinning the wheel of excitement. To spin the wheel, you need a promo code. If you don't have one, use the code SQUIRREL provided by Earnut.com for free. Enter the code, click on the Spin the Wheel button, and you can win free money. For example, I won points equivalent to 5 cents, which was added to my account balance. Step 7. Withdrawal proof of Earnut.com. To demonstrate my live withdrawal proof from Earnut.com, I'll show you the process. First, go to the Cash Out section. Here you can withdraw your earnings via different cryptocurrencies, gift cards, or gaming skins. I prefer using PayPal, so I'll select that option. On the withdrawal page, I'll enter my PayPal email, first name, and last name in the respective fields. Then, I'll choose my country and fill in my complete address. Next, I'll enter the number of coins I want to withdraw from Earnut, which can be checked from my account balance. For a total withdrawal of $400, I need to withdraw 450 coins. After typing this in, I'll see a $20 PayPal fee, leaving me with $380. Now, I'll click the Withdraw button. As shown, Earnut has sent the amount to my PayPal, and I should receive it within 5 business days. Let's wait for it. A few moments later, and there it is. I've received an email confirming the $400 deposit to my PayPal account from Earnut.com, and there you have it. As you can see, I received the payment from Earnut.com without any issues. It's really that simple. If you're looking to make some extra cash online, this is definitely a legit way to do it. Just follow the steps I showed you. Sign up, start installing apps and playing games, and watch your earnings grow. Now, I want to hear from you. Which app or game are you most excited to try out on Earnut.com? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!